Log on to KITV.com for Hawaii's most accurate, up-to-the-minute weather coverage for where you live. KITV.com weather is sponsored by Levitt, Yamani and Soldner, Hawaii's personal injury law firm. KITV4, more local news at 5, starts now.
A family of 8 chased from their Waipahu home by a fire. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Paula Akana. Fire investigators now say a faulty electrical outlet is to blame. KITV4's Ashley Moser talked to neighbors and has their vivid accounts of the blaze.
I heard a couple of boom sound, and next thing I knew, there were like about 4 other fire truck came, and the whole neighborhood was kind of blocked.
Neighbors watched as flames engulfed this home on Lumi Place Sunday night. Fire officials say the call came in around 9 p.m. It was put out 30 minutes later, but not before it ripped through these windows, melting the screens right off. Fire investigators and cleanup crews spent the morning determining what's left of the charred rooms.
We'll document all their non-salvageables to their salvageables, and then whatever's charred that's salvageable, we'll just ice blast and we can do repairs from there.
They say luckily the walls are made of cinder block, which helped contain the flames indoors, preventing the trees outside from catching on fire.
You can see some of the fire's damage from Mr. Anuber's backyard. He says if any of these trees or bushes caught on fire, he's sure that his house would be up in flames as well.
The fire got the tree, and I'm sure it would spread to my house because it's right on the border on the fence area.
The home is now surrounded by caution tape, windows completely boarded up.
This is just the first process of boarding
Just one of many steps to make this home livable again. Ashley Moser, KITV4 News.
And investigators tell us since the cause was an electrical outlet, a faulty one, that case will be ruled accidental. Damage is estimated at $150,000. Well, new information tonight regarding the final moments of former State Health Director Loretta Fuddy's lives. She died in the waters